why now? Why do you think that we are on the precipice of things changing?
I think it's it's mainly, I think it's the AI part of physical AI, right? And that's not said that all the great solutions will be dependent, like where AI would be the most important thing, but I think the real world is super complex, and this just sort of unending complexity. There's a long tail of just things that can go wrong. The real world is super messy. It's very hard to build super general products that serve very large markets with when the software is not intelligent enough in that like fuzzy way, like not able to handle ambiguous sort of fuzzy situations where things change. So because with classic tech, like for the physical world, the way to make a effective product is to constrain the use a lot, so that you can like a person can write an algorithm that handles each situation.
And this would be like what we see these days with the coffee making robots. I think that's the
Yeah, you just constrain it. Maybe it's a coffee making robot or something like one cell in a manufacturing line. It's like super repeatable, but you just constrain it a really, really lot. And if that thing is valuable enough, you can put all the effort into just making something for that. But a lot of the physical world things that are out there are much more messy than that. So basically, you need something that's more flexible and more able to handle ambiguity. And that's really the kind of, that's what the technology of sort of modern ML and AI is about enabling. So I think that's one. And what that enables then is, if you can address a larger market, you can invest more into the hardware. The hardware is also important. Like it's not only AI, but you need to be able to invest in the hardware as well to make it good, to make it I guess high quality, but also low cost, right? That comes from scale. Hardware is a scale game. So, and when you have scale, then you can generate you get lots of side benefits. You think of like what happened in mobile phones, right? That generated a huge amount of like an ecosystem that produces components, right? That then you can use to create reasonably priced other like sort of more niche products. So the mobile phone ecosystem drove the ability to make drones. Right? Then you can make a good, cheap drone because of that. I'm not dropping the word, but because of that ecosystem, basically.